Alright folks, so it's Yakin here from Train Ground. Okay, so shooting right now with the GoPro Hero 11 Black 5.3K 60 frames per second. Alright, so this is the video quality. Stabilization, set it to horizon lock. Alright, because I'm kind of worried of the shakiness. Okay, so this is the video footage. We are going to do some driving, check out the video quality, the audio as well, a little bit of the audio as well. So I'm actually recording the audio directly from the built-in mic as well, so something you should be taking notice as well. Okay, that's good. Right, so green light, that's good. That is good. Wow, definitely nice day to drive. Today is Sunday. Okay. Yeah, definitely I can see like this time the new GoPro Hero 11 Black has certainly some better upgrades. Speeding up just now, just to see how is the video recording capture when it is in fast motion. Yeah, that's, I think, is very, very important as well. Okay, right. Sticking over here, it's not a good plan. Alright, let's see. What is the video capturing looks like? Okay, that's good. Video looks good. Definitely shooting in the 60 frames per second, everything looks good, especially with the fast motions, right? And also if you are planning to like slow down the video, yeah, having the 60 frames per second on 5.3K video is going to be absolutely a good help. Okay, if you want a little bit more faster frames per second video, okay, you can definitely try the 120 frames per second video recording. I think that will be giving even much more better slow-mo edits for you, especially the content creators. Okay, but for this video, we are just merely seeing the quality of the video in 60 frames per second, 5.3K. Definitely very, very interesting to like see how's the outcome on the PC later on. Alright, and definitely I'm going to just upload this to the YouTube channel for you guys to have a watch as well. Yeah, very, very interesting device. So let me just do a little bit more drive. I do wish I could like head over to like some highways in Malaysia to see fast motion videos, but fortunately yeah, my schedule is really packed, so I could only like give you guys have a look on the city drives. Okay, I think some of you people will also love to use the GoPro to record your drives as well. Okay, and definitely sure this GoPro Hero 11 Black can do it. Alright, now I just need them to be a little bit much more quicker. Going over here. Let it just slowly keep going, because cars a little bit are slow, especially on Sunday. Everybody just want a Sunday slow drive. It's okay, doesn't have to be a spirited one. Okay, coming back in. Alright, I think I'm going to be ending the video here. So I'm Yaken, okay, from Driving Ground, and if you're still new to the YouTube channel, please go ahead, subscribe, follow us on social media as well, like the video, drop some comment, and yeah, share it out if you think the video is pretty good. Okay, and yeah, see you guys on the full review for the GoPro Hero 11 Black in Malaysia. Alright guys, that's it.